Hello, hello. What are today's messages today and what do we need to hear? Let's pick some cards today. Have a meditation staycation. Om, sweet Om. Let's pick an inner child card today. 10. Disappointment is not the end. There is hope even in the darkest of nights. It's okay for me to cry when I need to. Observe your surroundings. Next time you are idle, standing in a queue or waiting for something, take a moment to observe your environment as if for the first time. Be curious about your surroundings and the people instead of taking out your phone and cutting yourself off. Social media is a bigger burden on your brain than work. Take a break from your phone whenever possible. Rather, allow yourself to experience being a part of the world around you. Be present and at ease. Fear is healed by love. As we consistently let go of resisting our fears and allow them to be surrendered, the energy that was tied up in the fear is relinquished and now becomes available to shine forth as the energy of love. Life. History doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. Mark Twain. Can you identify any patterns in your life? What can you learn from them? That's the challenge, to change the system more than it changes you. Take the first step to pursue something you believe in. The best way to take care of the future is to take care of the present moment. Action. What is one thing you can do today that your future self will thank you for? What makes your heart beat faster? Believe the signals your heart sends you. When you learn to listen to your heart, you'll begin to follow it. All right, which item has our quotes today? Just be yourself and love your uniqueness. Ego judges, awareness watches, insight liberates. Be gentle with yourself. You shouldn't take advice from people who aren't where you want to be. Yes, yes. The words you speak become the house you live in. And the last one today. Find what brings you joy and go there. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.